Today we're diving into a topic that is critically important for many families, tutoring. We know that many kids missed a lot of learning during the pandemic, and it's been a struggle to make up those losses. There's one thing that's been proven time and time again to help kids make massive gains in academic learning in short periods of time, and that's tutoring. According to a study by the Educational Endowment Fund, one-on-one tutoring resulted in an average of 5 months of progress for learners when compared to their peers. But it can be hard to find the right tutor. It can be costly, there are too many options to choose from, and then how do you know if the tutor will be a right fit? According to a study by Care.com, parents in the United States spend an average of $4,500 per learner on tutoring, with some tutors costing up to $150 per hour. In this video, we're going to go through 8 steps to help you find the perfect tutor for your learner's needs that can help your kid thrive in any area. So let's get started. Welcome back to the Outschool channel. If you're new here, hey, we're Outschool, your learning support system and partners on your kids' education journey. At Outschool, we believe we can help kids and empower them to love learning. Here in our channel, we're going to post videos and tips every week on how to keep you and your family inspired on your learning journey. If you want to join the Outschool family, hit the subscribe button or click that notification bell so you never miss a chance to connect and build your community. Let's get into the video. Step 1. Assessing your child's needs. If possible, try to pinpoint where your child is struggling. Below average grades or test results can be the symptom of different problems, so you want to dig in here. Is it the teaching style of the class they're in? Is there a lack of passion in the subject area? Is it their study habits? Understanding what is getting in the way of learning is going to help you find the right tutor to find the solution to the right problem. You can also write down your own assessment and observations and share these with the tutor. There'll be more on this in the video later. Next, set clear goals for your child's learning. Are you looking to improve grades, better test results, study skills, or a deeper understanding of the subject matter? Know what you're going for. Having specific goals is going to help you find a tutor that aligns with your objectives. Use this as an opportunity to connect with your learner and get them excited about tutoring. What are they going to be able to achieve? Or have they been working to master something and this is an opportunity to do that? Use their interest to get them inspired. What will they be able to do or what will they be able to achieve by working with someone to master these skills? For example, do they have an interest or a passion where tutoring can help them get closer to their goals? Maybe your learner has always wanted to start a business, so you can use math tutoring to help them gain the skills that they need to become a young entrepreneur. Maybe your learner just loves video games and the idea of creating video games, and you can use one-on-one tutoring to help build their passions. Maybe one-on-one tutoring can be as simple as finding one person to help them build their dream birthday cake. The possibilities are endless. Step 3, do your research. Once you've identified your child's needs and goals, it's time to do some research. What kind of tutoring are you looking for, and what's within your budget? Traditional in-person, one-on-one tutoring is going to be the most expensive and the most difficult to find because you're limited to, your local area or where you can drive to in one day and back. Online one-on-one tutoring is generally more affordable and highly flexible because it can be tailored to your kid's needs and time schedule and not limited to your immediate location. So you essentially can work with the best one-on-one tutor from anywhere around the world. Online small group tutoring offers the most affordable option and offers peers to help with the joy of learning. Now, there are accommodations that are made to meet the group needs within that setting. Now, you want to source your options here. So anything from online platforms to local tutoring centers to getting recommendations from friends, families, and educators. These are going to be great resources here. If you want to explore a few options, you can make a pros and cons list between in-person, online options, or a list of traits that your learner is looking for. We recommend using platforms that have lots of flexibility that you can tailor to your learner's needs and specific learning goals. Of course, you want to consider your price point, your time of day, your kid's age, and any other limitations you might have. If budget is a concern for you or your family, be sure to consider online tutoring. Depending upon where you live, online tutors can be available for up to 50% less than the normal price of in-person tutoring. Plus, online tutoring can offer a range of flexibility and options when meeting the specific needs of your learner. Step 4, check qualifications and experience. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to reach out directly to a tutor and interview them, and ask questions to find out if they'll be a good fit for your learner. You want to understand the tutor's style and if it'll match with your goals. What's their background? What kind of teaching modality do they use? What's their style? Is their style going to work for your learner? Will your learner get along with this tutor? Does your learner have a special learning need, or are they neurodiverse? Does this tutor have experience with your learner's special need or neurodiversity? Or are you specifically looking for a neurodiverse tutor? There's a range of possibilities out there. What's their record of success? Have they worked with learners before? How many learners have they helped? What do other families say about working with this tutor? Have they been reviewed before? Step 5, interviewing potential tutors. Once you've narrowed down your list, it's time to interview potential tutors. Schedule a meeting or a phone call to discuss with your tutor and get a feel for their teaching approach, their teaching strategies, and availability. It's important to find a teacher that's going to understand your learner's learning style and who can adapt their teaching methods appropriately. You can share your own assessment of your learner's needs and challenges, and you can ask the tutor how they would recommend meeting those, or how they recommend structuring lessons to meet those, or even how many sessions would they recommend to get started. Now, compatibility between the tutor and your learner is going to be crucial here to your learner's success. You want to consider factors such as communication style, energy, and rapport, and years of experience don't necessarily indicate success in this realm. A good connection and mutual understanding will enhance the learning process. Next step, step 7, trial a session. Consider arranging a trial session with a potential tutor. This will give you and your learner a chance to interact with the tutor and get a feel for their experience and their style firsthand. Observe how the tutor and your learner engage and interact with one another. Observe how the tutor and your learner interact and engage with one another. Is it a right fit for your learner? Is it a right fit for the tutor? Is the tutor's communication style a right fit for you? Feel free to shop around. You don't have to feel committed after 1, 2, or even 3 sessions. This is your learner and it needs to work for them. Try out a few tutors and discuss with your learner which one they liked learning from the most. Step 8, communicate and monitor progress. Once you've selected a tutor, establish a clear line of communication. Regularly check in with the tutor to monitor your child's progress and discuss any concerns or adjustments that might be needed. Collaboration between you, your child, and your tutor is going to be the key to success. You can also ask for progress updates and ask for suggestions on how to reinforce what your kid is learning during sessions outside of the classroom. Finding the perfect tutor for your child takes time and effort, but it is well worth it. By following these steps above, assessing your child's needs, setting clear goals, doing thorough research, interviewing potential tutors, considering compatibility, arranging a trial session, and maintaining open communication, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect tutor that will meet your child's educational needs. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you think this video would help a friend or loved one, be sure to hit that share button and invite them to the Outschool family to help us on our mission to set learning free. We'll be posting videos each week, so if you've got a question or an idea on what kind of video you'd like to see as you build your homeschooling resource, please let us know in the comments below.